Hey everybody, it's Jason here with Hydrofin. It's been a long time since we've done any videos, so I wanted to start this video, introduce Skip as part of a huge new growth initiative that we've got.
Hi, it's Skip Sorensen. I'm here working with Jason through Anchors Away Capital. We've been working together for close to 2 years now. I've seen tremendous potential in the business, so decided to raise some capital and help him with his evolution of the business. And so I'm happy to be here to help with sales and marketing and any other activities that I can assist with.
Yeah, sounds good. Well, we're glad to have you on board and excited about some of the plans that you and I have been talking about. So, would you like to share some of what we have been discussing in terms of growth and how we're going to achieve some of the numbers we're looking at?
Yes. So we are investing heavily in marketing, and we have initiatives to bring more dealers on board. If you all have been to our website and taken a look at the number of dealers that we have, we need a better cross section across the U.S. of dealers to help with installs. We're also talking with many OEMs about coming on board and installing our product at the factory. So those initiatives will really help the business grow substantially. We've also created a club called Blade the Wave. And if you go to our website, you can sign up for the club. We'll be sending out a monthly newsletter with all sorts of information about Hydrofin and pontoon boats in general. We'll have a rendezvous eventually. We'll have demo days. We'll be going to dealers around the country to showcase the product. And so we'll give you advance notification of that. Also, any sales that we end up having will be featured in those newsletters. So you'll see a lot more on social media. You'll see a lot more advertising that we're doing. So we're really excited about where the business is headed.
Yeah.
And Jason, I think it would be great if you could tell our potential customers about how you came up with the idea for the business and the journey that this business has been on since you started it 7, 8 years ago.
Yeah, sounds good. Yeah, so I grew up as a boater. I grew up on the water and have owned a lot of boats over my lifetime.
Mm-hmm.
And, through those experiences, have just realized how inefficient boats are, right? I mean, both from a fuel perspective, from a range perspective, from a ride perspective, there a lot of times, especially on rougher water days, windier days, you just get beat up out there.
Yeah.
And the whole shapes, designs, all that kind of stuff, it really hasn't changed much over the years. And
Mm-hmm.
so, I started to research and try to figure out, what tools, technology, what is out there that would be better. Ran across hydrofoils, really started to invest in understanding how they operate, and at that point was convinced that that was sort of a big part of the future of boating.
Uh-huh.
And so I try to figure out, like, how do we incorporate those? What makes most sense? So I started looking at pontoon boats and quickly realized, based upon the size of the market and some of the challenges that pontoon and
Mm-hmm.
tritoon boats have, adding hydrofoils to that boat style, it just made sense,
Mm-hmm.
right? These boats, they plow through the water. A lot of customers are frustrated with the speed that they get, how much gas they burn, because you end up basically running the boat in a lot of cases full throttle all the time.
Right.
You're just trying to get point A to B, and you're wide open throttle the whole time. So you're just pouring gas into it. You're getting beat up, water splashing, and so I was just convinced that that was the way to go. And so got the product patented. Really started to do some research on who the best engineers and designers would be, and literally found and pursued the best, and that's Morelli and Melvin
Mm-hmm.
out of Newport Beach, California.
Mm-hmm.
And so work with them for probably a year designing the product and then getting it manufactured and then basically taking it to market. And so now we're in 4 different countries in 37 states. And so proud of what we've accomplished,
Right.
considering that we're building a brand and a whole new concept from scratch.
Right.
But there's so much opportunity that we've got in front of us, and so
Sure.
that's why we're excited about having you on board
Yeah.
and really what the future looks like.
Uh-huh. We're excited to be here too. We think there's tremendous opportunity in this market. And I agree with you. The times I've been out on pontoon boats, the level of enjoyment based upon rough water or not being able to get to the destination very quickly really cause people to not have as much fun. And the
Yeah.
times that I've been out on boats that have had Hydrofin installed on them, I refer to it as like riding on a magic carpet.
Yeah.
It you feel like you're riding above the water. It's super smooth. Whenever you go to turn the boat, it banks a little bit like a monohull does.
Yeah.
So it makes the enjoyment factor of boating so much higher.
Yeah.
And I see smiles on people's faces. So
Yeah.
I was convinced at that moment that this product had tremendous potential and that it just needed some additional, investment to help it succeed. You had also mentioned to me during our process of working together that there was other new products that potentially Hydrofin could put in place. Do you have any updates on new product development and where that stands for Hydrofin?
Yeah, yeah, for sure. And I tell you, I'm super excited about this new product that we've got. So, in a nutshell, what it is, it's a hydrofoil that attaches to the skeg of the motor. So it's underneath the prop, and what it's going to do is it's really going to help control bow lift, right? So when you trim up your motor, there's a foil underneath the prop that's flying through the water. And it's really going to give you more control over how you run your boat. So if you need your bow up higher or your stern up higher, you can actually just use your trim on your motor to actually do that. And so the great thing about this product too is there's going to be different shapes and sizes for different horsepowers of motor for different speed ranges and those types of things. And so we're planning to introduce these for all the major brands out there. It's going to take us a little bit of time
Right.
naturally to get through that process,
Yes.
but launching this year. And so really, really excited because that's a worldwide market, right? That's
Right.
any outboard motor, any inboard outboard motor, we're going to have a solution for that.
Yeah, there's 20 million
Yeah.
outboard motors across the world.
It's
So
huge. Yeah.
big market there. So could you also follow up and explain to people what a foil is, what the technology is? Give them some analogies or examples.
Yeah. Yeah. So the term hydrofoil, a lot of people just don't, it's not like a common term that people use. But so a hydrofoil is simply a wing that flies through the water, the same as an airplane wing flies through the air. So as an airplane accelerates, that wing generates lift to the plane, and that wing carries the plane through the air. The same is true for a hydrofoil. So as a boat or vessel or surfboard, there's hydrofoils that are made for all kinds of different, vessels these days. They all operate the same. That hydrofoil actually generates lift to reduce drag. That's what it is.
And it's similar to taking a certain amount of weight off the boat. How would you characterize that?
Yeah, so what we're looking to do with our hydrofoils, and I don't think I've mentioned this, but so if you're new to the channel, so we've got hydrofoil kits that are made for pontoon boats and they're made for tritoons. And so we're not looking to fly the boat, so don't be concerned about that because if you're familiar with hydrofoils or you go out there and YouTube, something on a hydrofoil, some of the actual sailboats, they fly above the water, right? And they do in some instances if they'll crash because that foil will lose lift and it'll go down. Well, that's because the foils come out of the water. We have a completely different design. We're not trying to fly the boat completely. We're taking about 40 to 50% of the weight of the boat and lifting that portion. And so what that means is that the front of the boat for most boats is going to ride anywhere from 6 to say 10 to 12 inches higher in the front and about 3 to 5 inches higher in the back. And so you can imagine if your boat is riding that much higher on the water,
For sure.
all of that drag has gone away, right? The water line has gone from the front part of the boat where all that splash and water spray to about halfway back on the boat. So all of a sudden passengers aren't getting wet. They're not getting beat up. The boat is just so much more efficient. And so that's sort of how they operate with some of the benefits.
So what would be the tangible benefit to a family once they have Hydrofin installed? What benefits will they experience out on the water?
Yeah. Well, I would say most of our customers, the biggest benefit that I hear from my customers is that their wives actually love it. They are so much more inclined to go out on the lake because they know it's going to be a comfortable, smooth ride. They're not going to get beat up. They're not going to get wet. So yeah, I would say that that's probably the number one compliment that we get. But in addition to that, the speed improvements, and of course the handling too.
Yeah.
For a lot of families who, especially with pontoon boats, you've got a lot of families out there, parents out there, grandparents, and they're pulling tubers. So if you've got a boat and you're pulling tubers, you're going to actually be able to turn sharper, which for a lot of families, that means that you can whip the kids faster.
Uh-huh.
And, if the boat's running slow already and you can't whip the kids, that's not fun.
Right.
Right. And so you're able to do now more things with your boat that you couldn't previously.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's fantastic. So now that we've got everybody excited about Hydrofin, how do they go about buying it and how do
Yeah.
they get it installed?
Yeah. So the easiest way to buy Hydrofin is literally just go to our website, which is hydrofin.com. We've got two different products on there, as I mentioned. So for either pontoon boats or for tritoon boats, it's a universal kit that works with any boat. So it doesn't, you don't have to think about your size range. There are a couple of limitations there, but basically it's a universal kit. So just go to the website. About 70% of our customers actually install the product themselves. In fact, we're doing a shoot here at a dealer today, and we'll be releasing additional videos and content around like the how-to part of the installation process. But outside of that, so we're working to build a dealer network, as Skip has mentioned, around the country for installation. So if you don't want to do the installation yourself, totally get it. No problem. We'll help you through that process. You can go on our website. There's actually a dealer drop-down list, and you can actually search that list to see if there's a dealer in your area. If there isn't and you're interested, give us a call, and we'll actually call dealers in your area, see if they're interested, go through the training process, and go from there.
One of the questions I've heard as I've started meeting with customers, there's a lot of skepticism out there about the performance claims that we issue. A boat going 7 to 12 miles an hour faster, 50% fuel efficiency.
Yeah.
Riding like a magic carpet.
Yeah.
How can you help our potential customers with this skepticism that they have about the system's performance, and how can we show them the real truth of the boat?
Yeah. No, it's a totally fair question. And so what we're attempting to do is to provide video, and that's one of the things that we're doing here today, and actually create content that we're going to publish online that is going to show sort of, the before and after metrics and specs of how did the boat, run and operate before adding Hydrofin compared to after Hydrofin. We've got a demo boat. We're going to put a 60 horsepower motor, go do all the before and after on that, a 90 and a 115. And so that's going to give you a good comparison of what to expect.
Okay.
And so then in addition to that, over the course of, the next year, we're going to be doing a lot more, content just on different customer boats and
Sure.
how they're using them and what benefits they're getting.
Great.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Okay, as we wrap up, I just want to let everybody know that we have added some additional apparel and merch to our website. Take a visit there. Take a look at Hydrofin. Call us with any questions. We'd be happy to answer them, and we look forward to you having a greater boating experience with our Hydrofin product.